For those of you who don't know, I was out in Las Vegas for SEMA 2023, had a wonderful time, met a lot of cool people, saw a lot of great cars. I ended up running into a group from Archaic North America. Very, very nice people. They were kind enough to send me a set of OLM Gamma Series LED headlights for the 10th Gen Civic. And they're not just any LED headlights either. They're RBGs. They told me it fit the Civic Type R, and we're gonna find out here in a second. But as you know, before I install anything, I have to make sure they work first. But before I can do that, I gotta take them out of the box. So I don't believe I need this harness that came off of here because I have no use for these. I think this is for a regular Civic that does not have the touring headlights. I can't run that plug far enough to plug it into here, but I just don't have enough space. So I'm just gonna have to dive in, take the bumper off. I'm sure there are hundreds, if not thousands of videos on YouTube showing you how to remove the front bumper on a Honda Civic Type R. So I'm not gonna show you that. For me, I just snap my fingers. And like magic, the bumper is off. It only took me about 35 minutes. This was my first time taking this bumper off. All in all, not too bad. I am planning on taking it off again when I get my PRL intercooler and charge pipes, which I hope to have here in a few weeks. Now, I've already taken all the bolts out of the headlights. I'll show you where they were. We have two up top, one here, one tucked in way back there, one right here, and then the fifth and final one right here. Now I should be able to just pull these headlights right out. Next, we have to remove the bottom bracket off both headlights and these two clips and put them on the new ones. The bracket is on, the clips are in. Now this passenger headlight has a lot of extra wires that run from this headlight to the left headlight. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna run it yet. Obviously I'll show you here in a little bit, but I'm just gonna put these back in, put the bolts in, run these wires, put that bumper on, and I'll show you these lights. This is how I ran the wire. I just took some electrical tape and taped it down for now until I get some, I don't wanna call it corrugating stuff, but it's like corrugated stuff that you wrap around it. I don't have any right now, so when I take the bumper off again, I'll make sure to have some of that and replace it. All right, let's get this bumper back on. Everything is put back together. Let me turn all the lights off and show you what they look like.
These things have a really cool startup sequence. I fast forwarded here because it would probably take, I don't know, 45 seconds for it to go the whole way through. So I'm not going to bother you with that. And the headlights are just as bright, if not brighter, than the stock headlights. There's a QR code on the one box from the headlight that you can scan to get the app. You just download the app and you can control everything from it. Now there are 210 modes to this thing. It's crazy. I will show you some here at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one.